Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Microsoft Teams onto your Ubuntu operating system. So for that, just go to your favorite browser and search for download and just type Microsoft Teams and just go to this first link from microsoft.com. So you can see download for desktop and just click on this Linux dev. So this should start downloading the Debian file. So once this is downloaded, let me just click on this show in folder. So let me just go inside the download and just right click and open in terminal and just type sudo dpkg-i and just type te and press tab. So this would detect the teams.dav file. So just click enter your password. So now this should install the Teams. So once this is done, so if I just go inside the show application and just type Teams, so you can see the Microsoft Teams has been successfully installed, and you can just click on get started. So you can just sign in with the email address. So just enter the password. So that should open the Microsoft team and you can enjoy the calling with your team, work, or for school, or wherever you have. So that's how you install the Microsoft Teams onto your Ubuntu operating system. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.